Let's check out the latest and greatest from 00 Robotics. This is the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max combo. I absolutely adored the HOVERAir X1, and the Pro Max definitely got my attention when it was announced and released. So this is the full combo here that I've got. Comes with a bunch of different accessories. We've got the beacon and joystick bundle. We've got the power case here. We've also got the case as well as the drone itself as the combo. So let's have a little look and get through what comes in this combo. First things first, this bag, this case here, very nice. Very high quality. I can see it's got the little loops here so we can turn it into more of a bag design. It looks like it goes on a diagonal, which is interesting. So one's at the back, one's at the front here. And it comes in little compartments, which I always appreciate compartments when it comes to having a drone. It just makes it so much easier to figure out where to put everything and what you get in it. Okay, so it looks like we get a lot here. First things first, we've got the strap for the bag. We've then got ND filters. So that's very nice. We then on top of that get the magnetic adapter mount and magnetic clip for the beacon, which is this thing here. And then the other thing we get is a handlebar mount. So for a push bike, or mountain bike, or whatever it may be. I don't know whether this can work on a motorbike as well, but definitely for a push bike or a mountain bike. So that's one whole compartment in there. Comes with a bunch of accessories. I actually wasn't expecting so many accessories. And then on this side, we have no accessories. And this is where you're going to put whatever else it is. I need to obviously figure out where it all fits. But it comes with little compartments. I can see there's little places to hold whatever it is that it's going to hold. So there's a few different compartments in there. So you get two sides to that bag. Very clean design, love that. It says hover on the front. We've then got this here, which opens it up even more. So this just gives it a bit more breathing room. There's Velcro, very interesting design. I really need to get my head around how this all works, but it comes with Velcro in there and it opens up the case a little bit more. I don't know if this doesn't look like it fully disconnects, but okay, interesting design for the case. Really need to figure out how that all works, but very cool concept for the case. So they're the first few things we've got. We've got the case, we've got the bag strap, we've got the ND filters, we've got the magnetic adapter mount and magnetic clip, and that's for the beacon, and then we get the handlebar mount as well. So a few different accessories there. Let's have a look at the drone. Let's get into the drone. I'm just going to move all of this out of the way. Let's just declutter this desk a little bit. But that bag, straight away, impressive stuff, very unique. I love it when a company does something unique. So let's check out the drone. This is why we're here, right? I don't actually remember, where did I loosen it? I loosened it at one end. Let's figure it out. It was one of these ends I loosened. Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'll just fumble around for ages. And that will be the whole video. Here we go. Okay, so nice packaging, very premium, high quality packaging. Nice renders of the drones, or photos of the drone. So we've got the drone unfolded on that side, and then we've got it folded up on that side. So as we get into it, it will just slide off. And we can see it says 00 Robotics. And then it's a magnetic case. Oh, so they've really gone for the premium feel here. Ooh. Oh, and it comes with a bag of its own. And more accessories. Wow. Okay. So as we open this up, very, very nice bag. It says Hover on the front. As we open this up, this is the kit. So this is the kit. We get a charging brick. We've got the charging hub. Batteries look very nice. Larger than what I remember the X1 batteries being, which makes sense. It's powering slightly larger drone, bigger camera system, a bunch of other stuff. So that feels a lot cleaner actually. That feels nicer when that connects. Less resistance there. Comes with the 2 batteries in this combo. And then here is the gorgeous, gorgeous drone here. Wow, Pro Max. You've got, finally, we've got a micro SD on the side there. That's nice for these micro drones. I'm loving that. USB-C. We've got this gorgeous camera on the front here. and then it just folds out. Very similar mechanism to what I remember with the X1. Love that. Magnetically connects like so, and then you open it up. You can literally just use one hand, as you can see. Open it up fully like that. It's clean. It's looking very nice. Got a big button on the front there, little display. I'm going to get deeper into all of this when I do my full videos, but first impressions are this feels heavy duty. This feels like a very nice improvement here. Loving what they've done. Gorgeous camera system. So it actually says it is an f2.55 E16mm. So that's that there. That's the camera. Gorgeous. Okay, and the case itself is very nice. Within here we've got some paperwork. Looks like we've got a little pouch icon and a cable as well. Yep, so we've got a little cable in here, USB-C to USB-C by the looks of it. That's very nice. We've got the info section over here, as you can see. And then let's just have a quick look at this one. We won't look into the info section. I just want to show you what you actually get in here and what you can expect, because it is quite an extensive offering. There's a lot going on in here. Okay, so it comes with a little pouch, as you can see here. Got maybe a gimbal protector or something by the looks of it, and then a pouch. So, okay, we get a lot in here. We really do get a lot. Let's move on to the beacon. Let's move on to the power case, because there's a lot to get through here. Okay, so we'll leave the drone in frame so you can see that. Really loving what they've done with that drone. Nice upgrade. So let's get to the beacon and joystick bundle. This was something that I was personally really excited about. Looks like we've got a little strip on top here that we pull from over here. Yep, again, premium feel. Wow, so this comes in a case as well. Okay. This feels like a premium unboxing, this really does. Love this like fake leather that they've gone with here. Nice clean hover. Little strap option there if you want to. Clip it onto something. So in here, oh wow, okay. This comes with it all. Got a bunch of cables there. Got paperwork. Got another connection piece there. We've got different thumbsticks down. Oh wow, this is a lot. I need to really figure all of this out. Let's look at the main pieces though. So it's a modular design. Nice modular design here. So that's one piece. Looks like that's one of the joysticks. And that can pull down, and that's how you're going to connect it up to your phone. Well, that feels very nice. This looks like the screen by the looks of it. This actually looks like an innovative experience. That feels nice. Little joystick there. Pause button. There's a home button on there. Looks like a record button on the side. And then this looks like the other side of the joystick. Yeah, there you go. So that's all going to connect in. Again, I have no idea how this all works. Don't know what I'm doing here. That just clips in like so. That feels nice. This one I'd imagine is going to be a similar feel. Yeah, cool. And then does this swivel around or something? I really need to figure all of this out, guys. So that's how it opens up like that. Okay, this is cool as. This is very unique. So that's the orientation there where you've got your phone connected. Looks like there's a bunch of different ways to use this. This is a beacon as well as a joystick bundle. So there's a lot of different ways to use this controller. That's how it all comes like so. And let's move on to the final piece here, which is the power case. So again, ooh, open that up. That always feels nice. Is this going to come with a case as well? Well, it is a case, isn't it, really? There we go, it comes with a case as well. This is so awesome. Okay, this feels like it's got a bit of a sturdy build to it. It's got a bit of weight to it. Oh, love that. Love the materials they've gone with here. It feels high quality. So that's the power case there. We can see it's got a bit of a battery reading. It's got a little magnetic point there, and you open that up. Comes with a strap, comes with some paperwork. Looks like this is how you can charge up the drone as well. That feels so heavy duty and high quality. Really loving that. This is an extensive offering here from 00 Robotics. This is the full combo here for this guy here, which is the Pro Max. the HOVERAir X1 Pro Max. Cannot wait to see what this little unit can do, but so far I'm very impressed with all of this.